Have you ever wondered why chili peppers set your mouth on fire? Well, hold on to your taste buds, because we're about to spice things up with a dash of science. That fiery sensation you experience when you chomp down a chili isn't heat at all. It's actually a molecule called capsaicin playing tricks on your tongue. Here's how it works. Capsaicin binds to the heat-sensitive receptors on your tongue. Your brain, being the protective control center that it is, interprets this binding as a signal that your mouth is in a scorching situation. But in fact, it's just the capsaicin causing a spicy deception. This is why we feel that burn when we bite into a hot pepper. But there's more to this capsaicin caper. It turns out that this fiery molecule has a secret superpower. It can actually be used for pain relief. Here's the twist. Repeated exposure to capsaicin can desensitize those pain receptors in your mouth. This means that, over time, you'll feel less burn from the same amount of chili. This property has been harnessed in medical science to offer temporary relief from chronic pain conditions like arthritis. Amazing, right? Now, let's sprinkle in a fun fact. Did you know some birds, like chickens, are completely immune to capsaicin's fiery effects? They lack the receptors for capsaicin, meaning they can gobble up chili peppers without feeling the heat. This comes in handy in nature, as they help spread pepper seeds through their droppings, contributing to the propagation of pepper plants. So next time you feel the burn, remember, it's not just your taste buds, it's science in action. Let's shed some light on the sunshine spice turmeric. This beautiful golden powder isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a scientific marvel thanks to its active ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin is a mighty warrior in the battle against inflammation. It's been found to help manage chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. But wait, there's more. Emerging research suggests that curcumin might also be a guardian of the brain, playing a role in protecting cognitive function. Now, if you think this is all cutting-edge stuff, you might be surprised to learn that turmeric has been a key player in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. Used to treat a wide range of ailments, this humble spice has been doing the rounds in wellness circles long before wellness was even a word. So it seems the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda was onto something powerful. Now, let's spice things up with allspice. Despite its inclusive name, allspice is not a combination of all spices, but rather a harmonious fusion of ground pimento berries, cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Each of these ingredients brings something unique to the table, from the sweet, woody notes of cinnamon to the fiery kick of cloves and the warm undertones of nutmeg. Together, they create a flavor profile that's as complex as it is comforting, making allspice a go-to for everything from pumpkin pie to beef jerky. But the allure of allspice extends beyond the kitchen. In the days of European exploration, this spice blend was so prized, it earned the nickname Jamaica pepper and was used as a form of currency. Yes, you heard that right. The unique flavor of allspice was once worth its weight in gold. Allspice, a blend of flavors that once held the value of gold. Ever wondered why the smell of certain spices can transport you back in time? It's all down to a fascinating dance between the volatile aromatic compounds in spices and our olfactory receptors. When you inhale the aroma of spices, these compounds embark on a journey up your nostrils, making their way to the olfactory receptors in your nose. These receptors are like the maestros of an olfactory orchestra. They pick up the aromatic notes, transforming them into electric signals. These signals are then relayed to the olfactory bulb, a little structure sitting right at the base of your brain. From here, these signals take a direct route to the limbic system, a part of the brain that's a hub for emotions and memory. This intimate connection between smell and the emotional center of our brain explains why certain scents can evoke such strong emotions and memories. Take cinnamon, for instance. The warm, sweet smell of cinnamon can often transport us back to comforting memories. Maybe a holiday spent baking cookies with grandma, or a cozy winter evening with a mug of hot cinnamon-infused cider. But the influence of spice scents doesn't stop at nostalgia. Some spices can actually have a profound effect on our mental function. For instance, did you know that the smell of cinnamon has been found to improve cognitive function and memory? Indeed, Researchers found that participants who whiffed cinnamon showed better scores in cognitive tests related to attention, memory, and visual motor speed. So, the magic of spices isn't just in their flavors, but also in the symphony of scents they unleash, playing on our senses and emotions. And it's not just about creating delicious dishes, but also about navigating a rich sensory world where aromas can evoke memories, stir emotions, and even sharpen our minds. So the next time you take a whiff of your favorite spice, remember, you're engaging in a sensory experience that's deeply rooted in science. So, we've spiced things up quite a bit today, haven't we? We've journeyed from the fiery capsaicin in chili peppers, which tricks our brains into thinking our mouths are ablaze, to its surprising role in pain relief. We've discovered the golden powerhouse of turmeric, where curcumin not only lends a vibrant hue to our dishes, but also battles inflammation and potentially boosts our brains. Our trip through the world of allspice revealed its multiple personalities, a delightful blend of pimento, cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And let's not forget our aromatic adventure, where we learned how volatile compounds in spices like cinnamon can trigger memories and mood swings, and even enhance cognitive function. It's clear that spices offer so much more than a simple flavor kick. They're a marvel of chemistry, biology, and gastronomy, all rolled into one. Remember, spices aren't just for flavor. They're a delicious dose of science in every bite.